So I was doing acrylic pouring tonight, and out of desperation I invented a cool new thing, which is the combination of acrylic pouring and then these Dylusions ink sprays. Now I use watercolor paper, and so this is possible. I'm not sure if it would be possible on canvas. I started out the night just wanting to use pink, black, gold, and white, and it was a really hot pink. And the problem is that I don't like those colors, but I needed some girly kind of papers for my next Wreck This journal, and so I just kept trying and trying, and it was a mess. Had I poured with colors I like, such as greens and blues or even black and white, it would have been fine. I got some beautiful cells tonight, just tons of movement. I did my first ever swipes, and I hated everything because I didn't like the colors. So I noticed when I was wrecking my journal that I had tried an ink spray over a dried acrylic, and it was really pretty. So since I hated everything, I wanted to see what would happen if I put it over while it was wet. And they're still drying, obviously, but they're gorgeous. They look like galaxies, and it just adds another dimension. So I actually used the ink sprays over pieces that I was even happy with, just because I wanted to see what would happen. And it does destroy some of the cells when you spray it on, and it creates kind of a more fluid Rain-X effect, but you can see that I still have plenty of cells, a lot happening. And this piece was mostly white, actually, and since I wasn't having luck mixing colors in the cup, I just used a combination of these and created all these beautiful galaxy prints. And so if you have a piece that you're not happy with on paper, I think it's a really beautiful solution. Thanks so much for watching.